Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to learn about some Python programming. So in this tutorial video we are going to learn about how can we create a multiplication table inside Python. So let's start programming. So this is the particular code we are going to do. So I will just delete this and do it afresh. So we are going to take the user input here. So let's start. So num is the variable equals to integer data type, bracket open, input. We'll take the user input, bracket open, double quotes. So let's say enter a number, double bracket close, enter. So for loop for x in range bracket 1 comma 11 bracket close colon enter bracket open num comma double quotes multiplication sign as in mathematics comma say x comma double quotes equals to comma num multiplication is asterisk x. Okay, bracket close. Let's press F5, press enter. So it's telling me to enter a number, let's say 12, and you can see that we have created this multiplication table. So what is the concept of this particular multiplication table? So you can see that it's starting from 12 into 1 and it's going up to 12 into 10, but we have given the range as 1 to 12. Okay, so 1 to 11 is the range. So the counting starts from 0. That is, if you count from 0, if I can show you, if you count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can see how many numbers are coming. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is the reason why we are giving 1 to 11. That is, it's starting from 0. That is the reason why we are giving 11. Now, what is the meaning of this particular syntax inside the parenthesis of print? So this is num, the variable, and this is the multiplication sign used in mathematics. This is the variable we created in the for loop. Then we are giving the multiplication sign and then num into x. So the format will be like this. If I can show you, it's called num into x equals num into x. That is 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Okay, so this is the format in which this particular programming is running. Hopefully you have understood this particular concept of creating a multiplication table inside Python. So if you have any kind of doubts regarding this particular program, feel free to comment down below, and see you all again next time in another programming video. Till then, goodbye and take care.